Hi there, my name is Rory McGuire and I love libraries. I've always believed that books, and indeed the learning that comes from reading a good book, is incredibly important. For one, a book can be a good and loyal companion, and they can be a lot more enlightening than some of the stuff we read on social media nowadays. Now, don't get me wrong, we can learn a lot from social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram, but I feel like the danger with that is that we could become complacent or even lazy. For some people, libraries may be seen as a thing of the past, but you'd be amazed at how modern libraries are these days. For example, they offer computers to use and also free Wi-Fi. Libraries can also be incredibly important places for transient people and for the many homeless people who live in our towns and cities. Having easy access to a library which has a computer and internet access means that people can stay connected with family and friends, which is vitally important. I love libraries and I have got a great amount of respect and admiration towards the staff and all of the volunteers who give their time for their service users. So thank you.